Good blood day, our brothers, sisters, Papa, Mama, staff of PNG, Bila Tutoklo is something Miolimia. A Miolium Plankane, in a toy gun and real gun. It's a very powerful gun. Mr. Blon plus Toa also Salim gun from single shot to very high powered guns. So, me work looking in time. Looking more this Lankan stuff here. Meeting in some of this Lankan so stuff long happening by no have exist now. So one plus Lankan stuff long islands now you may look in islands provinces, especially Enga province, Southern Islands and Dela province are devastated by guns. So what was something me work line him long here. This long gun and also Salim long store. Any store you can buy those guns, single. One of them gun you like buy, you can buy them and keep him. So this is what they do here. I don't know the other countries, but I think there's some countries where money mature don't control him gun. This is not one per country. Now we only Salim gun, no when we only Slang gun. You know, slatters on plant your source where you might look him kind can gun is up inside. People can buy those guns, they can keep it. They don't use those guns to kill people, destroy places. They buy those guns for hunting purposes. All buying this little gun for hunting. So you can buy any of these guns and you can keep it if you are here. So, me work looting you mean get sabla lines and stuff long world. Where only mature long controlling gun. Gun cannot do anything, gun can't kill people. Gun by not make him plus something. Unless this money get wrong motive and gun by facilitating. Gun by fulfilling this agreement wrong motives one kind of money, one kind of work or something. You mean that one can this kind stuff, me fighting bros. Some time, some illegal tribes where start to talk before long any get all in gun and stuff, some man stuff, you mean get some karna money stuff will start to talk now. You get some place or money stuff. We only no counting all millions. Amas Blankani stuff long. Even also Salim gun or some toy gun or so as. But this law knows a controlling all. All mans are controlling. Mans are controlling money. Money get limit belong him. Sawe get limit belong him. Guns are start as on gun are making man plus something. Time me look him as gun no controlling all man. All gun yeah, big plankan all Salim was toy gun long. Okay that's so long these little places. I'm really challenged. One blood time Babunigini Bakama Bosemo. One blood time Highlands region Bakama Bosem. One blood time all brothers blooming by controlling gun or gun by controlling all until Jesus comes. Emo some blood thinking where me kissing long and me just through my what I mean. Emo man make him Muslim, you mean man stab there. You mean no come up long pig dog, you mean no come up long DY, you mean no come up long stone. You mean by Karem gun go come kill him or policeman, you mean all him gun, boom boom long samla upload long Facebook, na totok fighty go come. Gun no karemimi, wara no karemimi, pig dog no karemimi. Emol man where God is walking long end, only controlling gun, only controlling money, only controlling knowledge, na only boss him get something, na only come up man na managing. Why not us? And challenge for me kissing. One time Mingham by stopping fight. One time Southern Islands, na Hela province by stopping fight. Na kissing this Latin where God is giving long man, long God him get something. Na control him get something. One time Bankan na fight by Kama V3 Long Island region. And on some Latin me kissing. All man stop long countries na making place belong only clean. Building cities belong all. Establishing some black and system. Where beginning in a labun by not no bagarap na by not left out no. Why not Papua-New Why not us? We can do it. I still believe in my country. One day Papua-New will never be the same. Kenya province will not be the same. Islands region will not be the same. Ella will not be the same. Southern Islands will never be the same. Gan by not long killing Mogata man of finishing locals. God still tingin Island region, Papua New Guinea. And one day, Papua New Guinea must still go come up long tinting, long Papa God. 2025 a new player. as you mean go inside long and me happy long, you me long. Please forgive him, Mantla Narabla. Who said you stop life and life blow you a Mantla. You got all family stuff, you got all beginning come up. All married beginning but stop long way. Thing in this land now, who said you stop life long and me happy long, you plan long. Make him some strong plan decision, long lose him wrong. Forgive him all. Na lose him can. Go back lo babangkot. Na thing in future long all beginning. Next generation by no have long fight us. What can I do that? What can I